Hello friends. So today let's talk about robotic process automation. Why it's growing on a very high pace in today's world and why it's very important post corona age. So robotic process automation is nothing but it's like a software robot. It's not a hardware robot at all. It's a software robot. It's a program, nothing but a program, a task board. Often you might have found you're chatting to a like a call center of Reliance Jio or Vodafone or Airtel or IRCTC, which is railways like mobile app. So such kind of, or banks and all. So you often find certain task boards which are empowered by artificial intelligence. They are chatting with you. There's no human being out there. All right, you ask a question. Okay, so when will my, for example, when my train is arriving, so they'll give you 10 answers. You have to choose between them. If your question is answered, it's well and good. Otherwise you have to shoot another question, and again you'll get another 10 set of answers. So this is how the lifestyle of everyone has become. It's become more expensive. Like machines are have begun to take over the world. If you see, it's totally software based, like mobile app software, technology oriented. All right, so post corona, what has happened is most of the economies have uh, like uh, fallen very badly. Okay, they are in doldrums. Okay, so most of the companies, they are facing challenge, like in order to make the manpower work for them, like automobile, pharmaceutical, fertilizer, all types of industries. So they are not able to work with full 10% manpower. So what they're doing, like they're recruiting hardly 25% of the previous manpower, or 50% of them are allowed to work. So in this kind of scenario, most of the companies now, they are banking on automation technology. Automation is nothing but it's totally like a machine, or the software will be replacing the human. All right, removing the human interference is kind of automation. So if you see, for example, if you see like automobile. Okay, I'll give you a great example. Let's talk about the street lights concept. Like in every major city you have street lights. So they are switched around maybe around 6 or 7 p.m. in the night, and by 6 a.m. they have to be off. All right, so if a human being is operator is doing that, sometimes he may come or may not come. So often in certain cities, like you'll be watching the street lights still they are on, even at 10 a.m. or 12 p.m. also. So it's wastage of energy and all. So if a task board or RPA automation has been done in this particular electrical department, then the advantage is, like you don't have to the software program itself, you'll be programming it, switch it on at 7 p.m. and switch off by 6 a.m. That's it. There's no need of any human interference. In the same way, water, municipal water also, you might be getting between 6 to 8 a.m. daily, for example. So it will be automatically switched on and switched off. So there are various benefits. So each and every type of department, each and every type of industry has got its own benefits with automation. See, in today's world, one automation engineer or one RPA consultant can do the work of 1,000 odd professionals. They can be software professionals, they can be engineers, they can be electrical engineers, they can be mechanical engineers, they can be chemical or pharma people, or such kind of people. All these people will be replaced. So that is the best advantage of the RPA. So in RPA, what you have, the hot cakes, the latest and the best and the most successful softwares in RPA are today Blue Prism. Okay, it's a proprietary software, you have to purchase it, it's very expensive. So it's doing pretty well. And apart from that, you have UiPath, and apart from that, you have Automation Anywhere. These are open source and they are free of cost. You can do, anybody can do, can download and start working on it, as simple as that. So these are the things that are happening right now. And as far as the net worth of this particular RPA market is concerned, the total net worth of this market is very growing very rapidly. Per annum it's growing almost to 100 to 200 billion dollars it's growing. All right, that's the greatness of this RPA technology. Let me show you. This is robotic process automation. Okay, just a simple guide what I am showing to you. All right, and if you have any further questions on RPA, you can always reach out to me. All right, thanks for your time. Good day.